Renovation or remodeling. What is renovation?
Renovation is the process of enhancing a building or structure by updating some components while keeping the original goal in mind. The house's original design is never changed significantly.
What is remodeling?
Remodeling is the process of altering the original construction of a building. An area's design may be completely altered at times.
What is the difference between renovation and remodeling?
Renovation. Installing new appliances, new hardware fittings, new lighting fixtures, etc. Reparation works like repainting, reinstalling windows, refacing cabinets, replacing flooring, and any outdated systems. No massive changes.
Permits are not typically needed.
Require a fewer number of workers. Remodeling. It modifies the essence of an entire structure, including the structure or layout of a house. The remodeling project includes merging two rooms into one, removing walls, raising ceilings, etc. It may involve expanding the square footage and adding plumbing, heating, or cooling ducts to the building. Often involve changing the use of space or changing the way space is used frequent.
Permits are required.
These are larger-scale projects and may require more contractors and workers. Latest architecture trends. Before moving forward, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Smart homes.
AI-based technologies for the home have jumped on board. Built-in camera doorbells, smart thermostats, and even robots that clean your floors are now available. Buildings will have built-in sensors that regulate the temperature or minimize energy use based on the number of occupants in a space.
Green buildings.
These dwellings are designed to blend in with nature in a peaceful manner, allowing us to live in harmony with the environment. They reduce their carbon footprint and promote a healthy, sustainable lifestyle.
Multifunctional spaces.
The workplace has been severely disrupted by COVID-19, changing the way we work and where we work. Working from home has meant that, rather than developing anything new, architects have had to increase the productivity of existing rooms by making them multi-purpose.
Natural plants.
It is vital to purchase plants or create home gardens in order to bridge the gap between interior and outdoor spaces. Plants can assist improve indoor air quality, balance space, and promote productivity in a variety of ways.
Neutral color palette.
A quiet, neutral backdrop helps you to bring out some rather bold aspects in your design that would otherwise look overwhelming. Accent colors, textures, or patterns can be blended into the neutral color palette for a serene, warm, or comfortable environment to open up unlimited possibilities.
These latest architectural trends will help your house look modern. Remodel or renovate your home to include the current architectural trends. Kindly contact our team of professional and experienced architects who specialize in innovative renovation and remodeling services. Thank you for watching.